Conversion rate optimization, or COR, for PPC, pay per click. This is a complete guide to increasing your conversion rate with Google Ads. So what's up, everybody? Welcome to the Morii Media YouTube channel. My name is Morii, and in this video I want to talk about conversion rate optimization for pay per click campaigns. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. I appreciate you taking time out of your day to click on this video. This channel is designed to talk all things about paid media from a beginner's level. So we go over Google ads, Facebook ads, media plans, media budget plans, all type of things that are valuable for a beginner in pay per click. So if you're somebody aspiring to have a PPC career path, or if you're looking to hire a pay per click specialist, this is a good channel to start with. If you want to take it a step further, I do free 30-minute discovery calls where I'm always down to help out and help where my skill sets align. I specialize again in Google ads, in Facebook ads, and media plan. If you want to schedule a free consultation call with me, that is in the description down below, along with free paid media resources. So I've made a master list of a Google Excel sheet list with all type of helpful checklists and media plan templates and ad copy templates that I use on the day-to-day basis that I feel like would be helpful for you as well. I have all of that down in the description below for free, so be sure to check that out. And with that being said, let's go ahead and get into this video. So we're talking about conversion rate optimization and how to increase your conversion rate to get better results with your Google ad campaigns. So I do want to start out by saying that your conversion rate optimization is a critical part of running a successful PPC campaign, especially on platforms like Google Ads, Meta Ads, and Bing. So at its core, conversion rate optimization is about maximizing the percentage of viewers who complete a desired action on your site, whether if it's making a purchase, signing up for a newsletter, downloading an ebook, or requesting a quote. So instead of simply driving more traffic, the goal is to get more out of the visitors you already have by improving your ROI and driving more sales without raising your advertising costs. Okay, so now I want to talk about why is COR or CRO so important when it comes to PPC or pay per click campaigns. Well, most businesses focus on getting more clicks, but if those clicks don't turn into conversions, you're leaving money on the table. So a higher conversion rate means that you're making the most out of your budget and you're scaling revenue without scaling costs. Okay, so even a small bump in your conversion rate can lead to a significant profit increase. So for example, if your website has a 3% conversion rate and you raise it just 1 point, so you raise it just to 4%, then that's actually a 33% increase in your leads or your sales with the same traffic and spend. So that's why conversion rate optimization is so important. So what are some of the factors that affect your PPC conversion rate? Well, first and foremost, we have, ad relevancy. And I do want to add that before I start talking about what can affect your conversion rate, I do want to add that conversion rates can vary widely depending on your industry and what type of offer you have and the quality of your website. So please keep that in mind, guys. So however the fundamentals of conversion rate remain the same for any business, but please do remember that it does depend on, there's a couple prerequisites. It depends on your industry, the type of offer that you have, the quality of your website. Okay? So, all right. But aside from that, here are the fundamental factors that affect your conversion rate. Number one is ad relevancy. So y'all have heard me talk about this in almost every video because it's so important. Ad relevancy is your PPC ad copy. So this should tightly match with the search intent and the keywords you're targeting. So it needs to be focused on high intent, mild tail or long tail keywords, and these are search queries that indicate a user is ready to buy or take action. Okay, so next factor is landing page experience, which the landing page must deliver on the ad's promises. So the visitors should immediately see the offer, the value, and the next steps without any confusion. It needs to be clear, it needs to be compelling, it needs to be concise. Okay? Next is the page design and the usability. So you want to make sure it's a clean, visible, appealing, and fast loading landing page that builds trust and makes it easier for visitors to convert. I say this all the time, I have gone through so many different landing pages and done audits for different websites, landing pages, Google account audits, and most of them don't have a good landing page experience. And I say that by most of the times a lot of people's landing page, number one, takes too long to load, is not mobile friendly, doesn't have a clear call to action with buttons letting me know what I need to do. So I'm trying to say a lot of people's landing pages are not the best, don't have the best user experience. So make sure you keep that in mind. Your landing page must deliver on its promises, and it must give the visitors something to do, like a next step, without any confusion. Okay? Also, the page and the design and the usability, it must be clean, clear, visibly appealing, fast loading. Okay? All the things I just said. Last but not least, you need to be testing and doing iterations. So your conversion rate is not a one-time project. And I see this too. People will set up their Google ads and their Facebook ad accounts, run ads, and never look at it again, right? Until we do an audit. But you don't want that to be you, okay? So you want to consistently be testing, reviewing, improving your PPC campaigns. So you can do A/B testing, testing different headlines, copy, ad copy, forms, calls to action, anything that will help, that will help your audience resonate with your ads. Okay? So here is a step-by-step guide on how to improve and optimize your conversion rate for PPC. And let me check on my time. I'm doing good. Y'all know I can ramble. Okay. But, okay, so step one. Step one, you want to write compelling, relevant ads. So you want to start by crafting ads that speak directly to your user. So you want to use clear headlines, strong calls to action, and ad copy that matches with the keyword intent. So for example, if someone searches buying shoes online, your ad should specifically mention running shoes and the benefits and an easy way to purchase it. Okay? Number two, you want to choose the right keywords. So you don't just want high volume keywords and generic keywords. You actually want to focus on the high intent, mid and long-term keywords that signal a user is ready to convert, such as affordable SEO tools for small businesses, or free Google Ads audit. Those are some examples of some good keyword phrases or long tail keywords that you can use. Just examples. Number 3, you want to optimize your landing page. So every ad should lead to a dedicated, relevant landing page, not a generic homepage, guys, not a generic homepage. So the key element here is to have a high converting landing page. And you may be wondering, what does a high converting landing page consist of? Well, it consists of a strong, relevant, clear, compelling headline that mirrors your ad copy. And then number 2, you need to have a concise, focused copy, highlighted value proposition. And you also want to have a clear, prominent call to action, something as simple as get started, book a demo, download now, something like that. You want to make sure that it's user-friendly form with only essential fields. The fewer information that you're trying to get out of them, the better, okay? That's the fewer barriers of action and the better. And that's more so going into forms like getting first name, last name, email address, stuff like that, okay? And then you want to make sure that you have trust signals like reviews, testimonials, security badges, or guarantees. So make sure your landing page has all of these elements. That will help. Having these elements will help your landing page convert higher and perform better. And the rest of the stuff that I also named on here as well. Okay, step 4, or the rest of the things that's on the picture. Step 4, you want to do A/B testing. You want to literally test everything. You want to do A/B testing for everything. So never assume what works. Test it, okay? Try different headlines. Have different call to action button colors, images, forms, strengths, and offers. You also want to test tools like Google optimization, optimizationally, or even Google Ad experiments that can help you run controlled tests and identify winning variations. You want to ensure that your number 5 is you want to ensure that your landing page is mobile friendly, okay? So, or your website, your landing page, all that. You want to make sure that all your placements are mobile friendly. It's important because most people are on their phones. Most users come from mobile devices. So you want to make sure that your landing page is mobile friendly, fast loading, and easy to navigate. Now, what is fast loading, you might be wondering? If it doesn't load in 3 seconds or less, then quite frankly, it's loading too slow. Okay, I gotta hurry up and get through this. Number 6 is you want to align with ad copy, with landing page content. So make sure that it's direct connection between the promises in your ad and what your landing page is. So if your ad mentions 50% off first order, make sure that it's on your landing page and is prominent on your landing page offer. Number 7 is you want to measure and analyze and improve. So you want to track your conversion rate using tools like Google Analytics, Google Conversion Tracking, and heat maps. So this will analyze what's working and continuously refine your ads and pages for better performance. So those are the landing page optimization best practices. Keep it clean, cluster free, use bullets, short paragraphs, readability, highlight benefits, unique selling points, and make sure you have a clear call to action. All right. So some of the benefits of having a good ROI is listed down below. Make sure to read that. I only have a couple more seconds left in this video, but if you're ready to make sure that your ads are running with high conversion, be sure to book a free consultation call with me. If you like content like this, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.